Hi everybody, this is Chastity here from Dyehardyarns showing you Rare Bird Preserves. This is one of our business neighbors. They are sponsoring our in-store crawl basket this year. So if you haven't come by, please make sure you do. They are giving our crawlers 10% off. Rare Bird Preserves makes small batch jams, seasonal pastries, unique gifts, and they sell lovely houseware items. This is Elizabeth, the owner. Hi, Elizabeth. They're wonderful. I come here several times a week. You will wish you did too. Let's get a good view of these pastries. So we've got madeleines and cornmeal thumbprints, chocolate chip cookies and biscotti, jalapeno cheddar scones and vanilla cream scones. And trust me, if you are here on Saturday, so many special things. So come on by. They're right across the street.